Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Study with me. Now I am here to have this different type of sum. Here we have to prove this is equal to this is equal to this. That is 1 plus tan square a completely divided by 1 plus cot square a, that is equal to 1 minus tan of a bracket square divided by 1 minus cot of a bracket square, that is equal to tan square a. Here now we'll be considering LHS for the first proof. 1 LHS is equal to 1 plus tan square a divided by 1 plus cot square a, and RHS will be equal to tan square a. Now we have 1 plus tan square a and 1 plus cot square a. This can be written as sec square a divided by cosec square a from the trigonometric identities. That is 1 plus tan square a is equal to sec square a, and 1 plus cot square a is equal to cosec square a. Now this can be written as 1 upon cos square a divided by 1 upon sin square a. This is from reciprocal formula of trigonometry. So this one will get multiplied by denominator term, and this sin square a will get multiplied by numerator term, as this is the basic rule. So we'll get sin square a divided by cos square a, and that is finally tan square a. As this sin upon cos is tan a, so sin square a upon cos square a will be equal to tan square a. This is equal to RHS. So LHS is equal to RHS. For the next part of this solution, we will consider LHS is equal to 1 plus tan of a bracket square divided by 1 minus cot of a bracket square, and RHS is same as before, that is tan square a. So now we have tan of a is equal to sin of a divided by cos of a. Similarly, cot of a is equal to cos of a divided by sin of a. Now we'll substitute this value in this LHS. So we get LHS is equal to 1 minus sin of a divided by cos of a bracket square divided by 1 minus cos of a divided by sin of a bracket square. So by cross multiplying we'll get cos of a minus sin of a divided by cos of a. As this cos a gets multiplied and divided to this number one number, so we can equate this denominators. So this cos of a comes in denominator. Now moving ahead, completely divided by sin of a minus cos of a divided by sin of a. This bracket, this bracket, this bracket, each term is squared. Now we'll take minus 1 common from this denominator, so we get cos of a minus sin of a divided by cos of a, and again divided by minus 1 bracket square. As this minus 1 we are taking from the square term, so we'll take it out as minus 1 bracket square, so this will become positive 1. So similarly, cos of a minus sine of a, that would be completely divided by sine of a in this bracket square. So this square, minus 1 square will become 1, and 1 if we don't write, then also it's correct. So I will write here this cos of a minus sine of a, and in denominator the similar term is that is cos of a minus sine of a, so we'll cancel it here only. So we'll get finally, so we will get here 1 upon cos square a completely divided by 1 upon sine square a, as we have taken this square inside the bracket. So this one will multiply to the cos square a, and this sine will get sine square a will multiplied in the numerator, so we'll get sine square a divided by cos square a, that is equivalent to tan square a. So this is our RHS. Hence LHS is equal to RHS. So we have analysis that 1 plus tan square a divided by 1 plus cot square a, that is equal to 1 minus tan a bracket square divided by 1 minus cot of a bracket square, that is equal to tan square a. Hence proved. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel Study With Me. Thank you.